In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best handle sets in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which handle sets is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, HowMuchBest Door Handle Sets. Double Door Handle Collection. This door take care of and also deadbolt is created for double door. One is keyed to take care of the set, another one is dummy manage established. This dual door handle set with dummy appropriates for front doors, back entrances, or workplace doors, anywhere keyed entrance and also safety and security is needed. Universal design. The door management is reversible, which makes this front door lock established fit left or right-handed doors. High quality door take care of, sturdy door lock set, durable and long-lasting, exceptional safety, reputable security. This door takes care of the collection is the best choice to safeguard you and your household. Well-designed front door take care of, slim square deadbolt and matching handle established with contemporary indoor lever. This front door handle set with deadbolt will be an elegant addition to your door. HowMuchBest Door Handle Sets Dual Front Door Take Care of Established with Handlebar Matte Black Dual Door Handle Set with Dummy Strong Front Door Lock Established Dual Door Deals with for front door or office door. Our double door deal with the set can stand up to deterioration, as well as use for many years, appropriate for front doors, anywhere keyed entry, as well as safety and security is needed. Modern layout, durable and stylish, very solidly built, reputable security. Simply include this attractive piece to your front exterior door, upgrade the appearance of your entrance door with the front access door lock set. Here is the item number 4, Baldwin Spyglass Single Cylinder. Baldwin equipment with microban item defense stops microbes at the door keeping hardware 99.9% cleaner than vulnerable surfaces. Baldwin Status provides a sectional handle set for your smart key front door in a matte black finish with a low-profile door handle design. This contemporary front door lock is a single cylindrical tube entrance established displayed in a matte black finish. This entrance door handle set consists of 2 keys, lifetime mechanical and finish. Featuring smart key safety, rekey the lock yourself in seconds in 3 very easy steps with a smart key door manage. Baldwin Reputation offers a sectional handle set for your smart key front door in a matte black finish with a low-profile door take care of the design. This contemporary front door lock is a solitary cylinder entrance established shown in a matte black surface. This access door handle set consists of 2 keys, lifetime mechanical and also surface. Including smart key security, rekey the lock yourself in seconds in 3 simple steps with a smart key door handle. Introducing Spyglass, Baldwin's newest enhancement to its the item number 3, Probrico key-to-like entry. Please note, the square plate is not round, cannot remove. You can make use of one essential opening up one set of deadbolts as well as an access lock. For key-to-like sets, you can use one crucial opening up 12 sets of locks at most. Function key-to-like entry lock with 3 keys, permits you to decrease type in your home. All lock can be opened with exact same key. Fits both best hand as well as left-handed doors, mounted on the indoor door, fit for entryway door, front entrance, bedroom as well as anywhere that demand unique safety and security. Size rose size, 65 mm, 2 to 3 or 5 inch perfect for any house owners wanting a sense of security, offering you peace of mind that no one else has access to your property. Application entry door lever and also solitary cylinder deadbolt. Best made use of for domestic outside doors where keyed entry or security is needed. Single cylindrical tube lock set, opened by secrets outside or turn button inside. Access door lock, lock from within by hand as well as utilize a key on the exterior. Ideal utilized for domestic outside or interior doors where keyed entry or protection is required. Number 2 in our list, Patio Door Mortise Replacement. Affordable TO change old or broken door deals with. When your door management is damaged, old or unpleasant, don't change the door totally, just obtain a new sliding patio area door manage established. Our substitute outdoor patio door deal with plus Mortise patio door gliding door lock set is the most cost-effective as well as beneficial you can discover. Consists of interior deal with outside pull, Mortise lock, thumb latch, 6x screws. Typical reversible, non-handed manage collection that can be placed on both left-handed as well as right-handed gliding patio doors. 45 degrees Mortise latch lock which can be used on sliding patio doors created of wood, aluminum, and also vinyl. You do not require to buy various other elements if you get our manage set. Simple installment, this is a DIY task in the box. For handles with 3-15, 16-inch opening spacing and a Mortise, latching design lock. Get rid of 2 screws from existing takes care of, insert latch. Line up within as well as outside takes care of with pre-drilled door holes, insert screws, tighten up and also you're done. Reversible door handle and Mortise lock, additionally called non-handed. Our take care of is developed for right or left-handed or the door that opens from the left or the right, your option. The top one in our list, Kwikset Clemente single cylinder. Clemente has a slim square low profile deadbolt and also matching take care set with a modern day indoor bar. Application type, entry door. The Halifax interior bar is relatively easy to fix, fits both rights as well as left-handed doors. Low profile contemporary design 50% reduced profile than standard deadbolts. Flexible through bolt layout slides up and down and also flat to make certain a straight handle set on your door. Handle set deadbolt is ANSI, BHMA Quality 1 accredited, the highest possible property safety and security ranking. Attributes Smart Key Safety and Security. Rekey your lock in 3 very easy actions, compatible with Kwikset KW1 keyway. Installs quickly with just a screwdriver. Step up to developer styles and also superior safety and security with Kwikset trademark collection products. The Clemente handles collection has a smooth, modern appearance. With tidy lines and a variety of coatings, you can easily update the entrance to your residence. Clemente also includes a flexible screw that permits simple door installing and also a fit. The lock bolt is run by the thumb item outside as well as the hold on the within. The deadbolt is operated by a key on the outdoors as well as a thumb turn on the inside. The rich tones of iron black at the check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best handle sets amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.